What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that's not connecting to PC for media files in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on developer options. Now in developer options, scroll down and here click on default USB configuration, and from here if you have set the default USB configuration to charging phone only, then set it to transferring files. So after selecting this option, your phone will connect to your PC for media transfer. But after that, if you are still facing the issue while connecting to PC, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting again connect to PC and then your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.